Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being in the career journey with confidence underscore at MP. Feel free to follow me because I'm your girl to plug you. In today's video, we'll be talking everything that you need to know about how you can get your Sars text number. So I'll be taking you through the application, how you can apply to get your Sars text number very quickly and fast if you need it urgently. So without wasting your time, let me show you how you can apply so you get it immediately. And yeah, let me show you. Welcome to the video that shows you how to register for Sars e-filing. Firstly, you have to go to www.sars.gov.za. It's going to lead you to this page. Go to register now. And you're going to click register now. You write your name, surname. If you're South African, if not, it's going to look for your passport. Then if you're South African, your ID number, your date of birth, and you press next. You proceed to your cell phone number, your email, and you have to create your username and your password. Your password should be 8 characters long, uppercase, lowercase, special number, and you confirm your password, and it should match obviously so that you can proceed. So you make sure that your password matches with the other one, and you press next. And it's going to ask you to verify with an email or cell phone number. I opt for cell phone number, and it's going to send you a confirmation or OTP pin of 6 digits. And you wait for it and you type it in, and guess what? You are done. You got your Sars number. Then you will have to go back and log out and log in again with your username and your password, and you log in. And these are the terms and conditions. You have to read all this and accept all these terms and conditions, which is going to lead you to this page where you just press submit. And guess what? You have your Sars number on your left corner there where it says text reference number. And you are done. You have your Sars number. If you are in South Africa, you definitely know that it's damn cold. But with that said, thank you so much for watching. And I hope this video was very relevant to you and to somebody who needs the information. Don't forget to share with your friends, family, and everybody that thinks or that you may think needs the information. Thank you so much for being here. Please don't forget to like, comment. Mostly, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for being here. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to comment as well what videos you would love to see on this channel. It's so cold, but I'm sacrificing. Anyway, thank you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.